Hey everybody, Jay Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. Welcome all my returning subscribers as well as my new subscribers. I appreciate you being here. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some things that I purchased from Amazon. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So my first item here is a lint or the dryer lint vacuum attachment with a brush. I will leave the prices for all of these items in the description box below if you so desire to purchase any of these things. So this kit here includes a vacuum adapter, a plastic hose, and a hard tube. And I've already taken the liberty of opening this up. So here is the plastic tube here that it comes with. And here is the brush. I think this is used to clean out the tube, I'm thinking. I don't know for sure. I haven't used this yet, so I will find out for sure. And the next piece is this, what is this? The vacuum adapter. That's what this is. Real nice. Okay, so my second item is this heavy duty Reef Storage Bag here. I ended up getting this as well. You can see the price on this item here. I needed some more storage bags. Right now I have my Reef or Reefs hanging on the wall with command hooks, and so that's where I like to keep them most of the time. But I just decided to get some storage bags here, and I only got one this time. Well, I may order some more to house most of my reefs. So I ended up getting these. It's a funny thing because this is a local store. I don't know if you guys have a Ollie's as well, but I know that Amazon has different sellers, and it's funny how I ordered this from Amazon, but it came from a store called Ollie's that we just happen to have here where I live. That's hilarious to me. I was just like, what? Are you joking? This came from Ollie's, not from Amazon? Anyway, this is what I ended up getting, the second item. And my third item is a door stopper here. Has some lint and things on it. Really nice. I like how it has the little details there. Isn't that cute? And I think it's one on that side as well. But anyway, that's what this is. It basically is a draft blocker. It keeps out drafts from coming underneath the door, and so I ended up getting this, and I like it to coordinate with my home, so I chose to get it in brown. And it has this little hook here. Yeah, it doesn't have one on the other end, but yeah, I think this is just for if you want to hang it up when you're not using it. But yeah, I ended up getting this draft blocker. That's what they call it. It's going to block out all my drafts. And my next item here is a tree storage bag. This comes in different sizes as well. I think I got this for the tree that I just ended up purchasing this year from Michael's. It is for a 7-foot tree, but it does say that it can fit up to 9 feet. So this is a very nice item to have for various sizes here. So anyway, I ended up getting this from Amazon, and let me open it up. Not that it's going to make that much of a difference with opening it up, but let's just do it. Not that you can really see this. And I'm not going to really stand up to show you guys. Maybe I'll insert pictures of how it looks when I'm not showing you guys or talking to you in the video. But it does have a little place there where you can place a label. Not that you wouldn't know what is inside, but maybe you need to have some details to remind you of what you put inside the contents besides the tree. Because you could add more things with just the tree, you know. Nice zipper. Anyway, so I ended up getting this item from Amazon. And my next item is a Christmas ornament storage case here. So I'll show you guys how that's looking there. So I needed a place to store all my ornaments. I don't have a lot of ornaments, but I believe that this will accommodate the majority of them. It will store up to 64 ornaments. So that is real good. And then you can adjust it too. I like how you can take out some of the, as you can see, there is right in this section right here, you can see that that's where you would you can pull out that particular section. I believe it has like 4 stacking, at least 4 stacking, you know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, it's where you can, they're movable and you can adjust the sizes. So that's the point that I'm trying to make. And I really like that too, because I may not need to use some of the spots in here, and or I may need to adjust to make it smaller or larger. So that would be good for me, because then it would house all of my ornaments in one section, which is what I like, because I usually put them in bags for the most part, and I cover them with large amounts of bags so that they are not broken or whatever. Most of my ornaments for the most part have not endured any type of breaking. But this is just good to have, because then I don't have to worry about them getting broken or damaged in any type of way. So I decided to end up getting this. And my last item is not anything, as you can see, those were things for mostly for the home or for organization or storage or things of this sort. So my last item, I needed to get a pizza pan, because the one I had was, it was the worst. Okay, maybe not the worst. It was not good, okay? So I needed to get another one. And it was too large, because we used to, back in the day, we used to have the Sam's Club 16-inch pizzas. I don't know if you guys are familiar with those, but they were the best, and they still are. But anyway, we don't get pieces that are that size anymore. So I just ended up getting one that is the 14-inch, because for the most part we get like 9 to 14 inches, not 16. And we just needed another one, because it was just bad. It was really bad. I should have gotten a pizza pan. I should have gotten a pizza pan a long time ago, but I just decided, you know what, why not? We need one, so get it. What are you waiting for, honey? So this is what I ended up getting. Alright, you guys, well, I thank you so much, like I said, for being here today. I appreciate you watching my videos. Be sure to like this video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe if you like content like this. Normally I do cleaning, organization, or decluttering like type of videos. If you like that type of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bam! And we're done. Yes, honey, we are done.